I like that you can personalize everything to your own preferences, and once you've set it up the way you like it, you really don't have to think about it again. Now let's talk about the heated seat, and this ended up being one of my favorite features. Living here in Canada, sitting down on a warm seat instead of a cold one is something you appreciate almost immediately, especially during those colder months. Once you've used the bidet, there's also a built-in warm air dryer with adjustable temperature settings to help complete the experience. Another unique feature is HOROW's foam shield. When you sit down, it creates a layer of foam inside the bowl that's designed to help reduce splashing, contain odors, and minimize those aerosols during flushing. The T38P also includes a built-in deodorizer that helps keep the bathroom smelling fresher while the toilet is in use. Now, all of these smart features are great, but at the end of the day, this still has to perform as well as a standard toilet. The HOROW T38P uses a built-in tank and pump system along with a smart dual flush system that's designed to deliver a powerful flush while helping conserve water. So depending on the situation, it can actually automatically choose between a partial or full flush, and this will help reduce water usage without having to sacrifice any performance. Now, it also has a 1,000 gram MAP score. So if you're not familiar with that, the MAP score is actually an industry test that measures how much waste a toilet can remove in a single flush. So a score of like 1,000 grams is considered excellent, and it's one of the highest ratings that you can find. Now, during my time using it, flushing performance has been exactly what I'd hoped for. It's powerful, consistent, quiet, and I never had any concerns about it getting the job done. Now, a feature I think is worth mentioning is battery backup, and since this is a smart toilet, a lot of features rely on electricity. So naturally, you might be wondering what happens if the power does go out. HOROW offers an optional battery backup that is sold separately. It will allow the toilet to continue flushing during a power outage. Hopefully it's not something you'll ever need, but it's definitely reassuring to know it's there if you do.